Hi, this is your host Reza, and I'm here to show you how to replace image in a smart object in Photoshop. Let's get into the topic. I'm here to show a file from Graphic River and the Environment Marketplace. One of my clients having issues with replacing the image in the smart object in this file. So I will go through the process by showing that file. Okay. So to my client, this is what you get. So let's get into the folder. There is this is the Photoshop file. Just click into it and it will open up in Photoshop. Yes, it will open up in Photoshop. You'll see something like that. Then you need to look closely at the mouse point. You need to close this, or you can just delete this layer from here. Okay, so let's get into how you replace the images, because the marketplaces don't allow us to put the images within the file, and the file size gets bigger if the image is there. So that's why it's a regulation from the marketplaces, so we cannot put images in the provided file. So how do you change the images? So this is the cover. Place top photo here. You just need to double click, and once you double click, it will come here like this, and you need to go to file, and you need to file, place embedded. You can also click place linked, and then you need to find the folder where you have the files. So yeah, here's the folder. I got the files. I just need to select and double click on the photo I want to. Then I can just adjust the photo, and then just go to file and save. Once it's saved, you can close it, and it will be updated in the file. You can see the photo is replaced already, and now we'll go to the next photo. Just double click and it will open up in a new document like this, and go to file, place embedded. You go to your folder where the photos are, just select and double click the photo. You need to resize it. You can hold control, hold alter. In the newer version of Photoshop, it automatically proportionately transformed, so you just need to hold the alter key to transform the image or object from the center. Okay, now go to file and save. I already can't save. Press Ctrl S, it's already got saved. Just close this image, this file, and it's updated in the main document. And go to the next photo, then place photo here, to double click, it will open in a new document again. Go to file, place embedded, go to the folder you want to select the photo, and you can double click to insert the picture in the document, or you can just click select and then place. It will be in your document. Okay, it looks good. Still you can adjust by dragging from the corners. Go to file, click save, and it's saved. Now you can close the document, and it will be updated in your menu. You can see that. Control Z and Control 0. All the photos here is replaced. Okay, so I think there's no other issues. You can go through the text You can see the text here. You can just go to text tool, click. You can change it to drinks menu or just burger menu. Sorry, spelling mistake. Okay, you can change like this. And you can see, you just select the text tool and just click on the text, and to select the whole text, Control A, and you can smoke burger, Control Enter to, or just click on the move tool to get out from that editing options. Now again, select the text tool, click on the text. You can select the prices as you want, like this. Just go to click on the move tool again, and it will be get out from that editing options. This way you can change all the text. Okay, now just file and save it, and it's saved. That's it. And let's go to the next file. Open the file here, double click to open the file. Okay, you need to download the fonts in the readme section. Go to the readme PDF and you will find the link of the fonts, free fonts. Mostly free fonts are used in these sort of designs, so you will have the link. You can get it from there. You just have to go to the link and you will have your fonts. Okay, same thing, just you need to place your logo here. You can change the logo here. You need to double click and you can just close it. You have to take a new layer to delete the previous one, otherwise it will not be deleted. Yes, it's deleted. You can place your logo. I'm just adding a different text, so you can and try to place it in the middle. Go to file and save. Click on the crossbar and it will be closed, and it will be updated in the logo here. Okay, and now place photo, double click, go to file, place embedded, go to the file where you kept the photo, go to file, save, and close it, and your photo has been updated. That's it. By selecting the text tool, you can change all the text, and then you can just save it. I hope you understand, and that's why I try to make a short video like this that helps. Thanks for watching.